Good morning, dear students. Now, today we are going to start our new lesson number 4, factors. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn these 5 topics. Now, today we are going to learn these 5 topics: first factor, common factor, rules of divisibility, prime and composite number. In that prime and composite number, we will learn series of Eratosthenes, and next is prime factorization. Okay, so the general concept of the factor is to divide a number, or for example, if the number is given to you as 4 and that number is 4 and we have to find out its factor, then we have to just think about by which number that 4 is divisible. By which number that 4 is divisible, that we have to calculate. The number that we calculate known as factors. Means जिन नंबर से क्वेश्चन वाले नंबर को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, वो जो नंबर होंगे उन्हें हम फैक्टर कह सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम राइटिंग हियर, फर्स्ट वन इज फैक्टर. By example, I am explaining it. If 12 is the number and I want to find out the factor of 12. I want to find out the factors of number 12. But how we find out it? पहले तो मुझे एक काम करना पड़ेगा कि जो 12 है वो कौन से नंबर से डिविजिबल है, ये फाइंड आउट करना होगा, राइट? ओके, सो if I am going to find out the factor of 12, then this 12 is divisible by, I am starting from the smallest number. See that if I am starting from the smallest number, that 12 is divisible by 1. Yes, 1 12 are 12. 12 is factor itself. Then 12 divisible by 2. Yes, 2 से divide होता है 12. Yes, 2 6 are 12. And 12 divided by 3, because I am taking the serial number 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, 12 divided by 3, then it is, yes, 3 4s are 12. Okay, and after that again we have to divide 12 by 4. So in the table of 4 there is also 12. 4 3s are 12, so 4 3s are 12, so answer is 3. After that again try to divide that 12 by 5. After the 4 there is 5. By 5 it is not divisible. By 6, yes, it is divisible. If you divide by 6, 6 2s are 12, and 7 not divisible. 7 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है 12. 8 9 10 नो, 8 9 10 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है. 12 डिविजिबल होता है खुद से ही लास्ट में. So 12 ones are 12. Therefore the factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12, all are the factors of 12. In this way we can calculate the factors. Okay, but what is the definition, how we define it? The question number is given, that number is completely divisible by the numbers known as factors. It's factors. ओके, मतलब दिया गया नंबर जो कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल 12 है और जो 12 है वो 1 2 3 4 6 एंड 12 से कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल है, तो ये जो 1 2 3 4 6 है वो 12 के फैक्टर्स होंगे. ओके, नाउ हियर वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द कॉमन फैक्टर्स अलोंग विद दैट एग्जाम्पल. जैसे कि ये एग्जाम्पल हमने 12 लिया है. नाउ अलोंग विद दैट वी हैव टू ऑल्सो लर्न द टॉपिक कॉमन फैक्टर. कॉमन फैक्टर्स, जैसे कि ये एक एग्जांपल हो गया फैक्टर का. अगर नेक्स्ट हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल नेक्स्ट फैक्टर अगर फाइंड आउट करते हैं किसी नंबर का, तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम 16 लेते हैं, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16. सो 16 डिवाइड बाय 1. Yes, 16 is divisible by 1 because 1 16s are 16. After that 2, 16 is divided by 2, so it becomes 8 because 8 to the 16, and now 16 divided by 3. It is possible 16 is divisible by 3? No, in the table of 3 there is not 16, so it is not possible. Okay, so we use 4 in place of 3, divisible by 4. Yes, 6 4s are 14. After 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 16 is divisible by 5. No, 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 4 the 20. तो 5 से divisible नहीं है. 7 no, 6 no, 8 yes, 8 to the 16 yes, 8 से divisible होता है 8 to the 16. 8 के बाद है 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. तो इन सब नंबर से भी डिविजिबल नहीं होता. 16 उसके बाद डिविजिबल होता है ओनली 16 1 जा 16. Therefore, the factors of 16 is 1 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 1, 2, 4 and 4, 8 and 16. See, if we are going to find out the factor of any number, 1 is always there. 1 is always there. So 1 is always there is a factor of any number. So if we focus on the common factor, common means क्या होगा? Same, एक जैसा नंबर, ठीक है ना. So common factor अगर हम देखते हैं in between this both the numbers 12 and 16, इनमें अगर कोई कॉमन फैक्टर्स अगर हम ढूंढते हैं, कॉमन फैक्टर्स अगर ढूंढते हैं तो ठीक है. सो 1, yes, 1 is common in all the numbers, so we can't take that one. Okay, no problem, we will take it. And then 2, see, 1 is here, 1 is here, we are taking down 1. 2 is here, 2 is also here, so write down 2. And then 3, no, 3 is not here. 4, yes, 4 is here, 2 and 4. Then 6, no 6, 12, no 12. So the common factors of in the both the numbers are 1, 2 and 4. Okay, after that we will start our next topic, that is rules of divisibility. This one is over factor, common factor. Now we start rules of divisibility. In the rules of divisibility, we have to understand or try to find out which numbers are divisible by this 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Always remember this thing. Okay, so rules of divisibility is topic number 3rd. Rules of divisibility we are going to learn. So in that rules of divisibility, rule number 1st is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2 we are going to see. What is the divisibility by 2? Means which numbers are divisible by 2? Okay, all the even numbers are divisible by 2. We already know that every number is divisible by 2, known as even number. जो नंबर 2 से completely divisible होते हैं उनको कहते हैं हम divisible by 2. मीन्स मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. 2 के मल्टीपल, मतलब मल्टीपल मीन्स जो 2 के टेबल में आते हैं, जैसे कि 2, 4, 6, 8. okay, then 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10 means 0. ऐसे नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है जिनके वंस प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 आते हैं, और या फिर जो कि 2 के मल्टीपल्स है. ओके, मीन्स इस तरह से. और फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम देखें ऐसे नंबर्स जिनके, सॉरी यहाँ लिखता हूं मैं, ऐसे नंबर जिनके वंस प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6 एंड 8 आते हैं, जैसे कि 30, 92, 468, तीनों का कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके, 1068. देखो 1068 नहीं, यहाँ हम ठीक है 4 लेते हैं, जैसे कि 0 आया वंस प्लेस पे, 2 आया, 4 आया, 8. ठीक है ना. इस तरह के नंबर्स अगर किसी नंबर के वंस प्लेस पे आए, देन द नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाय 2. 2 से डिविजिबल होंगे. नेक्स्ट है हमारा, आफ्टर 2 देयर इज 3. ठीक है, 3. सी, divisibility by 3 says all the numbers in the given number are divisible by 3. But how it is possible? As divisible by 3 means जो नंबर हमको दिया है उस नंबर में जितने डिजिट्स है we have to add all the digits and the sum of that digits must be divisible by 3. मतलब जो नंबर किसी नंबर को अगर हमको चेक करना है कि वो 3 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं, तो हमें क्या करना होगा कि दिए गए नंबर में जो डिजिट्स है उनको ऐड करना होगा और जितनी वो एडिशन आएगी वो एडिशन जो होगी वो 3 से डिविजिबल होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐड डिफाइन कर रहे हैं हम ऑल द डिजिट्स and divided completely. Add all the digits and divide it completely by 3. एग्जाम्पल देख रहे हैं हम. एग्जाम्पल इज 9, 8, 1. Okay, 981. See, add all the digits. 9 plus 8 plus 1. 9 plus 8 plus 1. What is the total? 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. Obviously, because see, 18, 3, 6 are 18. कंप्लीट डिवीजन होगा. रिमाइंडर 0 चाहिए तब जाके कंप्लीट डिवीजन होगा. तभी हम कह सकते हैं कि दिया गया नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल है. समझो, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट और एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. एग्जांपल देखते हैं. 3, 2, 1, 3. ऐड ऑल द डिजिट्स. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. एडिशन क्या होगी? 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so these things are possible. And after that, next is 5. Third, divisibility by 5. At ones place of any number, at ones place of any number there is 0 और 5. किसी भी दिए गए नंबर के वंस प्लेस पर 0 या 5 अगर है तो वो नंबर डिविजिबल है. ठीक है, 5 से. ठीक है. सो द एग्जांपल्स 510. यस, डिविजिबल बाय 5 बिकॉज वंस प्लेस पे क्या है? 0. एंड आफ्टर दैट 975. 5 is at ones place. It is divisible by 5. 1,970. Yes, 1,975 divisible by 5. Okay, all these numbers are divisible by 5. But the fact is that only at ones place there must be 0 and 5. Remember this. Okay. After that, next is 9. Divisibility by 9 is just the same like that. This divisibility by 3. Okay. See, I am writing it here. Fourth number, divisibility by 9. Add all the digits. Add all the digits in number. Add all the digits in the number and divide it completely by 9. ओके, मीन्स दिए गए नंबर में जितने डिजिट्स है उन डिजिट्स को पहले ऐड करो. अगर वो 9 से डिविजिबल है देन द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 9. ओके, सी एग्जांपल 8181. दैट इज 8 plus 1 and again 8 plus 1. It is 8 plus 1 9 plus 8 17 plus 1 18 and 18 is divisible by 9, so 9 2s are 18. So this 8181 is divisible by 9. Okay, इसी तरह से कुछ एग्जांपल्स हम और लेंगे. सी 9 9 1 8 1 8. See, 9 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 8. See, ये तो 8 1 तो आ गया था. 18 plus 9 27, and 27 divided by 9 is 3. 9 3s are 27. So this number is also completely divisible by 9. Okay, and after that divisibility by 9, there is 10. So divisibility by 10 we have to see, must have to see. So I am raising it. After that, let's see the divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. See, all the number must have their ones place must be 0. Ones place digit must be 0. मतलब दिए गए नंबर में वंस प्लेस का डिजिट 0 ही आना चाहिए. Then that time the complete and whole the number is will be divisible by 10. Example, any of example you can take. 100, 500, 5000, 90,000, and more than that also, 1 lakh, 1 crore. All the numbers including 0 at their ones place, then the number is divisible by 10. Okay, after 10 there is 4. Divisible by 4. Divisibility by 4. See, the divisibility by 4 is something different, completely different than all these numbers 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. Okay, means in that case you have to observe their ones place and not ones place, yeah, ones place and tens place. The last two digits you have to observe. If last two digits of a given number are divisible by 4, then the complete number is divisible by 4. Okay, or otherwise there are two zeros at last in the number, means last two digits must be divisible by 4, or last two digit must be 2 zeros. 20, ठीक है ना. मीन्स लास्ट के 2 डिजिट अगर 2 0 है